Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is capital letter and small letter. Students, let's start it. A for apple. Look, this is capital A and that is small a. B for butterfly. This is capital B and that is small b. C for car. This is capital C and that is small c. D for drum. This is capital D and that is small d. E for elephant. This is capital E and that is small e. F for fan. This is capital F and that is small f. G for gate. This is capital G and that is small g. H for house. This is capital H and that is small h. I for inkpot. This is capital I and that is small I. J for jug. This is capital J and that is small j. K for kite. This is capital K and that is small k. L for lamp. This is capital L and that is small l. M for mouse. This is capital M and that is small m. N for net. This is capital N and that is small n. O for orange. This is capital O and that is small o. P for parrot. This is capital P and that is small p. Q for queen. This is capital Q and that is small q. R for rabbit. This is capital R and that is small r. S for star. This is capital S and that is small s. T for turtle. This is capital T and that is small t. U for umbrella. This is capital U and that is small u. V for van. This is capital V and that is small v. W for watch. This is capital W and that is small w. X for X-ray. This is capital X and that is small x. Y for York. This is capital Y and that is small y. Z for zebra. This is capital Z and that is small z. Log on to our website www.pen.org.pk. Thank you.